Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about crypto market update, and we will figure out what's going on with the crypto world. Is it still bearish trend? We will do technical analysis and we will discuss. We will review daily, weekly, large time frames also. As usually, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for trading view. Crypto heat map based on a daily performance looks like everything red and gray. Let's see weekly performance, what's going on, because today is Sunday already, right? Sunday, September 10, end of the week. Weekly it is also red, mixed kind of red and gray. Let's check monthly. Month is not over. Monthly it is red also, right? It's red. Okay, looks like everything negative, everything bearish in the crypto world. Okay, let me briefly mention about my setup. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. Now let's talk about my setup. I'm using simple moving averages. White line SMA 200, purple line SMA 100, blue line SMA 50, yellow line SMA 20, red line SMA 10, and green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator lines, Heikanaichi bars, and RSI indicator yellow line. That's all. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. But if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Like here, look at it. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Bars moved above MA5. Bullish trend. Very simple. When bars moved below MA5, like here, you see MA5 did bearish crossover. Bars moved below MA5. They moved before. They moved over here, right? Before. But here is the more readable picture. In reality, the real bearish crossover started here, right? When MA5, 10, and bars moved below 20. It is already bearish trend started over here. I should put like here. It started over here even. It's a bearish trend. You see multiple confirmation in the bearish direction. But let's go here. MA5, green line did bearish crossover. Bars moved below MA5. Bearish trend until MA5 changed direction and do bullish crossover. It did bullish crossover over here, but it was bull trap, right? It was bull trap. Why? Because SMA 20, you see yellow line, did bearish crossover. For me, it's a bull trap. Similar situation now. Look at it. MA50, blue line, already to do bearish crossover over 200. It is negative bearish crossover. We don't have bull trap, but it's still bearish trend. We have some bullish divergences on all indicators, but it is still bullish trend. As of now, Bitcoin flat minus 0.25%. Still bearish flat trend, right? Still bearish flat trend. Let's check weekly what's going on. Weekly it is also bearish. You see MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 or over all moving averages except 50. Bearish trend on all indicators. Sell signal from the script. Let me maximize it a little bit. Bearish trend, right? And let's see monthly what's going on. Monthly it was bullish, but it did bearish reversal. Now last bar moved below MA5 and 20. It's making bearish reversal on monthly. I didn't check 4 hours, sorry. 4 hours it's a flat, right? No action, and 1 hour it is flat also. Generally, crypto market is flat. On the shorter time frames, it is flat, no action. Let's start Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash 1 hour time frame. It is bearish, right? It did huge sell-off and now it's kind of recover and flat. Flat bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame, similar story, MA5 did bearish crossover, last bar below all moving averages, all indicators bearish. Daily time frame, it is also bearish. Last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on daily time frame, right? And weekly MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, last bar stopped at SMA 20, still bearish reversal trend. And monthly it is still positive, right? All indicators positive. What it did, huge move, it touched SMA 50 and it was rejected for last 3 bars, right? Still in a bearish reversal, but still positive. Now let's move to Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum monthly. Similar story, it did jump, it touched SMA 20, and for last 3 months it did bearish reversal. Last bar below MA 5, 10 and 20 is negative bearish trend. Let's see weekly. Weekly, same story, MA 5 did bearish crossover. Last bar below all moving averages bearish trend, MA 5 did bearish crossover, move below 200. It can bounce from 200, definitely. 200 can be strong support. So far, it's still bearish direction. Daily time frame. Flat price action, last bar below all moving averages, bearish territory, bearish trend. Even SMA 100, you see, did bearish crossover. Very negative bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame for Ethereum, bearish crossover, bearish trend, last bar below all moving averages, all indicators bearish. 1 hour time frame, all indicators bearish, on last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. Now let's move to Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum as of now minus 0.5%, right? Bitcoin Cash minus 2%. Ethereum Classic minus 2% also. Let's start Ethereum Classic. You see, Ethereum Classic and Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash very volatile, right? We know that. Very negative today. 1 hour time frame, huge sell-off, and it was kind of recovery. And it's still bearish. Last bar below all moving averages, still bearish trend. 4 hours time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. Daily time frame, bearish trend also, last bar below all moving averages. And weekly, same bearish trend, last bar below all moving averages did bearish crossover, SMA 100 downtrend. Bearish trend on weekly time frame also. Monthly, also bearish, last bar below all moving averages, right? Bearish trend. Now let's move to ADA Cardano, minus 1.5%, not enough data, but it's all bearish on monthly time frame. Month is not over, definitely weekly. Week is over. Last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on weekly time frame. Daily, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, still bearish. It did bounce and move above MA5, kind of bounce from the oversold territory. You see RSI was an oversold territory, it did bounce. That's expected, right? Still disconnected from 20, but still bearish trend. 1.5% minus. Binance minus 0.70, minus 0.75%. Still on 1 hour time frame, let's start Binance. Still bearish, last bar below all moving averages. All moving averages did bearish crossover over 200, except 100. Bearish trend was oversold, did bounce. Recovery still bearish. 4 hours time frame, same story, all indicators bearish trend. Last bar below all moving averages. Daily, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend, nothing changed. Weekly, MA5, 10 and bars moved below 200, SMA20 ready to do bearish crossover over 200. Bearish trend, very negative bearish trend. Monthly, definitely bearish, right? MA5 did bearish crossover. It's still, you see over here, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, and now it's bars moved below SMA50, bearish trend on all indicators, no changes. XRP minus 1%. Monthly time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 20, it's more positive. Monthly it is more positive, last bar below MA5, but it is at least in the positive location. Weekly, it's already did bearish reversal. MA5 after the huge move up, huge bull trap, it did reverse. You see reverse for several weeks, and last bar closed below all moving averages except 50. Very huge bearish reversal. Bearish trend on all indicators on weekly time frame. Daily time frame, last bar below all moving averages, MA5 and 10 below 220, 20 just close to 200, narrow state. Bearish trend because last bar below all moving averages. 4 hours time frame, same story. All moving averages, they merge to 20. Last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. 1 hour time frame, MA5, 10 and even 20 did bearish crossover over 200, bearish trend, right? Bearish trend on 1 hour time frame also. Let's do summary. Like we observed already, all crypto in my watch list, they are bearish on all time frames. For 1 hour to 1 month, they all bearish. Some of them on 1 month still kind of positive, but generally they all bearish on all time frames. The all crypto world in the bearish direction, at least from my watch list. I don't know about the all cryptos. There is the thousands of thousands of cryptos, but the major one from my watch list, they are bearish on all time frames. Now let's see performance. Bitcoin 1 week flat, monthly 1 month 12 minus 12%, year to date still 56%. Bitcoin Cash 1 week minus 3%, 1 month minus 18%, and year to date still 95% positive. Ethereum Classic weekly minus 0.5%, 1 month minus 12%, and year to date plus 36%. Ethereum Classic, right? Ethereum Classic 1 week minus 2.25%, 1 month minus 14.5%, year to date minus 4%. Ethereum Classic already negative year to date. ADA Cardano 1 week minus 2.5%, 1 month minus 15%, year to date plus 1.5%. Binance 1 week minus 1%, 1 month minus 12%, and year to date minus 13.5%. XRP 1 week plus 0.25%, 1 month plus 21%, minus 21%, and year to date plus 48%. That's what we observe. Many of them still positive on year to date time frame. On 1 week or 1 month, they all negative already, but year to date, 6 months from now, they're still positive. They're still positive. That's all. All crypto in the bearish trend direction. No any bullish sign. As of now, remember, we follow the trend. We don't fight with the trend. We don't have crystal ball, just follow the trend. When market change direction, we will change direction also. But as of now, market still in a bearish trend. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable at least for 6 months. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for cryptos, and also I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes. Please subscribe for this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.